this is Dr. J from Twin City Health. I'm coming at you today to talk about a few tips and tricks to help you recover better, faster, and stronger. So when it comes to recovery after you work out, it is really important to add nutrients back into your body. So my first tip for you guys is actually eating an anti-inflammatory diet. Things like processed foods, too much sugar can all create more inflammation in your body and therefore slow down that recovery process. So eating an anti-inflammatory diet, adding in more omegas or using a supplement such as omega-3s can really help speed up your recovery after you work out. Even things like chia seeds, flax seeds, salmon, and eating grass-fed beef. My second tip for you guys is actually mobility and flexibility. So getting more mobility and flexibility. What I mean by that is actually stretching more after your workout. A lot of us are maybe not doing a good warm-up or not cooling down properly, and you want to actually stretch your muscles and get more flexible in there as well, especially because as we age, we actually lose our mobility and flexibility. When we talk about mobility, we're talking about the ability to move our joints and stuff like that. So actually stretching what we call your posterior chain will also be a good example for you guys in case you have low back pain. So what I mean is stretching maybe your quads, your hamstrings, your glutes, and all of that can actually pull less on your back and actually help if you do have back pain, for example. The third thing that you can do is actually chiropractic care. So a lot of, especially for us women, we carry a lot of stress up here, maybe in our shoulders and across our bra line, and it's all because we have a lot of decreased mobility in your thoracic spine, right? So your joints, if they get locked up and there's no mobility, there's no motion in there to create flexibility, then it is harder to move. Your muscles get tighter and therefore you have more stiffness, maybe more joint pain or more soreness in your body. So getting your chiropractic adjustments on a weekly basis or doing your home care exercises will actually put more motion in your joints, therefore creating less stiffness, less soreness, and again, your body will heal faster. So thanks for watching, you guys. Really appreciate it. These tips and tricks will help you recover faster and stronger throughout the day. And this is Dr. J with Twin City Health. We'll see you next time.